Hello everybody, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Jennifer and I'm here to share with you guys what I got at Walgreens. As you guys know, as you guys watch my Walgreens ad preview, I kind of just go through the ad explaining things and showing you guys deals so you guys can kind of see what's going on. The Walgreens ad in the last month, I think, has been ridiculous. Like, I usually show you guys second hauls. I am not doing a second haul this week unless something really pops out, but I feel like Walgreens lately hasn't been doing very well with like money makers, and which is, I'm not saying it's a bad thing, but I mean, it'd be nice if there could be some more sales instead of just like here and there. Like, there are times where I'd get like a cart full of stuff and now it's just like so I'm here to share with you guys what I got at Walgreens. Now, I did do a couple other deals. It wasn't a money maker, but I think for what I got to share with you guys, I think is a pretty good deal. Now, a lot of you guys know I do get an employee discount. My husband works for the manufacturer. Well, this deal, some deals I can't always do with the employee discount, and some deals I always have to buy more than what you guys do, so sometimes it's different. But this deal, I decided to do it without the employee discount because I didn't want to buy another one and have it be more out of pocket. So I ended up doing the Olay deal. Now, these were 2 for $5, and usually if you buy one, it comes out to be $5.99, but all three of these show up to be $5 a piece. So again, 2 for $10 is what they are, and you guys can also include the body wash if you want, or the bars of soap. So you guys want to use two $2 off coupons for the Olay whips. I'm pretty excited to try this, so this is going to be something for a body wash that I'm going to be using. And then I ended up just getting the bars of soap because you can only use 2 coupons per transaction. So I've seen a couple of people do breakdowns where you can use more than 2, unless there's a digital coupon, but my digital coupons have been kind of weird lately. So you guys would buy all 3 of these. You guys use two $2 off coupons from the September P&G, and then you guys use one $1 off coupon from the P&G. You guys would just pay $10 for all 3 of these. Now, some of you guys might have those boosters, which I say go for it. Now, the boosters don't pay with points unless you guys absolutely need to. You can partially pay with points, but you guys need to have $25 worth of coupons if you guys are going to do that deal. So just give me a heads up. But you guys would end up getting 3,000 points for all 3 of these. Comes out to be $7 for 3 of these, or just $2.33, which I'm going to say is a pretty okay deal, because if you guys think about it, Olay is something we rarely ever get, you know, for our stockpile. And nothing, I mean, very rare you can ever get a really, really good deal. So I think for $2.33 for these 3 items each is a pretty decent deal. So I definitely wanted to share with you guys on that, and I'm actually pretty excited to try this. We'll see how it goes. I've tried a couple other types of body wash and I was kind of disappointed in it, but we'll see how this goes. So that was one card or one transaction. That transaction came to $10. I ended up paying $10 out of pocket. I ended up getting 3,000 points back. It just came out to be $7. So just giving you a heads up on that. And so then I ended up doing another transaction with the employee discount. So I ended up getting the Febreeze. Now, I've been loving stocking up on Febreeze lately. I don't know, I just feel like I'm enjoying Febreeze a little bit better. I mean, it helps, you know, spray the house down, spray your furniture, and it smells great. So these were 2 for $6. You guys want to use that buy one get one free coupon that we got in the September P&G. You guys would just get these for $3 or $1.50 a piece. I like getting these sprays when they have them on sale because I feel like we got the cans a little bit more, but the sprays I actually like. I haven't looked at what the difference is for fluid ounces, but I always like stocking up on these when I can, and I feel like the only places I ever get these is at Walgreens. Oh, I just want to spray it right now, so wanted to do that deal. I also did the Gillette razors. Now, some of you guys, some of your stores might have like a peeling machine or a machine that has $2 off coupons. If your store does, that's awesome. Just don't take all of them. Just take what you guys need. But my store didn't have them, which is fine with me. So these were $6.99. Yeah, $6.99. You guys want to use that dollar off coupon in the September P&G. You guys would just pay $5.99 for this. But then you guys can get a $5 register reward when you guys buy one. So it comes out to be just 99 cents, which I think is a pretty good deal if you guys enjoy those razors. The next deal I got is the Hershey Gold candy bars. Now, we just had those coupons pop up on coupons.com for 50 cents off of 2. So these are 2 for $1. You guys use that 50 cents off a 2 coupon. You guys would just get these for $1/4 a piece or 50 cents. So I thought that's a pretty good deal. I finally did actually have one of these. They weren't that bad. I'm just like, I don't know. But the coupon states you guys can only use one coupon per purchase. So I ended up doing a second transaction, but I'm not including that in my haul because all I got was another razor and the Hershey Gold. So I wanted to share with you guys on that deal. I also did, I'm like, is that it? Is that it? Got all my reusable bags. I also did the Captain Crunch deal because, I don't know, I just love cereal. I'm a huge cereal buff. I always make sure I always have cereal. I even snack on cereal. So these were $1.88. Now we do have that dollar off a 2 coupon that we got from a couple weeks ago. You guys would just get this after the coupon for $2.76. So not the greatest deal, but hey, if you guys, you know, want some good deals on cereal, I know with school starting and everything, people might need some cereal for their kids. $2.76 for 2 boxes of cereal. It's like $1, I don't know, $1.30 something for that. So wanted to share with you guys on that. And then the last deal I did was the Crest OralB deal. Now this isn't the best deal. Now there's those 4 off of 2 coupons that are still in the Walgreens app. You click them, they don't add to it. It's like a glitch. So I'm just like, whatever. But I did want to share with you guys some kind of scenario in case you guys are like me and don't like using up or don't like wasting coupons and want to get some deals. Now what I ended up getting is I got the Crest mouthwash. They're slipping out of my hands. These were $3.99. I used 2 $1 off coupons that we got from the September P&G. And the Oral-B toothbrushes were again $3.99. You guys use that dollar off coupon from the September P&G. So you guys want to buy all 4 of these together. Now this is a deal where you guys can pay with points. Same thing with the razor. You guys can pay with points and you will still get the register reward. Now if you guys do pay with points and the register reward does not print off, that system is down. Don't let the stores tell you that you don't get register rewards if you guys pay with points. No, it's a totally two different machines. They can't control that. So most of the time if it doesn't print, it means you didn't either buy the right product or the machine is down. So just giving you guys a heads up with that. But after you guys use 2 and 2 of the coupons, you guys would pay $11.96 for all 4 of these. But then you guys will get a $6 register reward, which is a pretty okay deal. You guys would get all 4 of these for $5.96 or $1.49 a piece. So again, not the greatest deal, but hopefully a lot of you guys are doing those booster deals, so it ends up becoming a pretty decent deal. So wanted to share with you guys on that. Now I did not have the booster deal. No, I did have the booster deal. I had a booster deal, so I ended up getting 7,000 points for 75 cents. I can't even speak, but I ended up getting another booster to use for this week, so I'm going to definitely do that. So That total came to $19.14. I ended up getting the $5 register reward and a $6 register reward, plus I hit the 7,000 point booster. So that came to just be $1.14 for everything. So that was including the Febreeze, the cereal, the Crest, and the razors for that price, and the Hershey Gold. So I think that's a pretty good deal. If you guys, I'm sorry, I'm just losing my voice. If you guys add both transactions together, it came to $8.14. I ended up getting 14 items for just 58 cents a piece, which is a pretty good deal. I mean, I try to show you guys, I think 10 bucks for anything you buy. I mean, look at how much stuff I got at Walgreens. I think that's a pretty good deal if you guys think about it. I mean, some of this stuff is pretty expensive. I mean, just this alone on sale is $5, and I got everything for $8.14. So I think that's a pretty good deal. So if you guys enjoy these kind of videos, please let me know. I'm really trying to show you guys more deals at Walgreens. I'm really hoping they pick up again next week. I did kind of look at the ad to see if there's any good deals. Nothing's really popping, but I know with the school starting, people want to start saving money, especially with the holidays coming up. People are going to be kind of frugal with buying certain things because they want to save up for Christmas. So definitely wanted to share with you guys on that. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up so I know you guys enjoy more, and I will see you guys all later. I'm not going to do another haul unless something hot pops up, but otherwise I will just see you guys next Sunday for another Walgreens haul. See you guys later. Bye-bye.